Inspection day. So the inspectors from the Minnesota Department of Health and from OSHA, they're going to be going to this pork plant to check on two things: how the company handles health screenings and social distancing. So this plant is in Worthington, Minnesota, and health officials tell us they are investigating almost 70 possible cases countywide, and so far almost half have come back positive. Meanwhile, Governor Walz sent a team to set up testing sites there, but union members are demanding better practices at work, including slowing down production and positioning workers 6 feet apart.
Inside a packing plant, you work shoulder to shoulder right now. There's a lot of fear and anxiety amongst the workforce, yet they continue to show up and do their jobs.
Yeah, that would be tough. JBS has started to stagger out shifts, and they've been giving out masks to workers, so a first step. But now, whether workers are staying home because they are sick or because they are helping to prevent the spread of COVID-19, there are concerns about a meat shortage while they are at home. So the National Grocers Association says you can expect to see some products temporarily out of stock as the supply chain, or until the supply chain, I should say, catches up with all this.